Hey beauties, so we're back with another hair clip DIY, and this time we're doing a few different styles, so keep watching and we're gonna get right into it. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to see when I upload. So let's start with the things you need. So all the clips can be purchased from the dollar store. Now these gold ones are my absolute favorite, and I mean, yes, you can get them at the dollar store. So they range in price from $1 to $2. These leopard ones, dollar store again. So I wanted to show you a different variety of clips that you can use, and then of course you have the matching clip and headband. For this bow one, I'm going to show you how we're going to transform this clip. Again, $1.25, and then is the stylized one. I've actually purchased this at Shoppers, but the dollar store does sell it in a pack of 4. Now you're going to need your beads. Beads I purchased at Michael's and they cost a little over $4. Now they range in size from medium size to extremely small, so you'll see how we incorporate the different sizes in the style. So I also wanted to show you another alternative, of course a cheaper alternative, which you can get at the dollar store. So they're adhesive, either the pearls with the diamonds. Now the butterfly pattern that I'm showing you now comes with like an oval shaped pearl, which I think is so beautiful. And then it has like these little flowery diamond heart type, I don't know, but yes, it's pretty. So you could use either the pearls or use the adhesive diamonds. Next, you're going to need your glue. If you watch my previous video, you'll see where I purchased this glue from, and then your glue gun. You'll need scissors, the sharper the better, and then you're going to need some felt. So the felt actually comes in different colors in a pack, cost about $1, not expensive, and try to get a thin piece of felt. So that's what I'm trying to show you here. So the first clip we're going to work on is actually the gold clip. I did mention earlier I love this set. You're going to cut out the outline of the clip. Okay, so once you have your outline completed, play around with how you want to position the pearls. So how I did mine, I did 3 larger pearls, or the largest pearls I should say, straight across the center, and then I did smaller ones around the outline. Also I want to show you, I used a tweezer just because normally I have my nails and I didn't have it today, so I used my tweezers to actually glue and position the pearls. I wanted to mention, invest in a good glue gun. This was from the dollar store and the glue actually stretches, making it a bit more messier. It still gets the job done, but yes, get a good glue gun. So look here and see how I'm positioning my 3 larger pearls. So straight across the center, and then I'm going to take one size smaller pearl and go around it, kind of making like a flower shape. Yeah, I think it's kind of, yeah, it's more of a flower. Now I do this around each larger pearl. Once your flowers are done, fill in the open spaces with smaller pearls. Once all the felt is covered, I went and cleaned the edges with some scissors, cutting off the excess glue. Now you're going to grab your gold clip and apply Gorilla Glue all around the outside of the clip. Then take your nicely designed floral pearl felt and attach it on the top. And remember, do not apply glue on the inside because yes, we do want the clip to open. Press it together, but then also hold it down for a bit, making sure it's extra secure. So there's clip number 1. Now for clip number 2, I'm going to use my silver barrette. We're going to apply pearls, but we're not going to use or need the felt for this one. So I'm going to use the largest pearl in this pearl wheel and then a smaller size. For this one, I feel you can kind of, if you want to do all large across, I found this pattern to be very cute, the large and small, large, small. You're going to apply your Gorilla Glue along both sides of the top of the barrette, and then of course just glue your pattern. So it's fairly straightforward. Whatever pattern, even if you want to do large, medium, small, and then continue across, I just did big, small for mine. So there it is for clip number 2. Let it sit down and dry. For clip number 3, again I purchased these clips from the dollar store, but you guys should already know how to make this clip. So I did make a previous video on how to make this name pin. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below on that video, which I found I got a great response. A lot of people liked it and commented on it. So go ahead and watch that after this video if you haven't seen it already. For clip number 4, these clips actually come with bows on top. I kind of tore off from the dollar store. It's easy to take off. I tore off the bow, and then I there's 2 ways I've done it. Apply your Gorilla Glue all along the top and do any kind of pattern across the top. This time I did all small, and then in between the small I applied even smaller pearls. So this one, again, yeah, fairly straightforward for this one. But it is time consuming with this one because the smaller pearls, and of course it's hard to pick up and grip. I didn't do all of it on camera, but yes, the few here I wanted to show you how to do at least the beginning. So for the last clip, it's the exact same thing we did for the first clip, just the only difference is I did a different pattern, so you'll see here. I glued the largest pearl straight across the middle, and then in between those curls I did medium sized, and then whatever else was left I did the really tiny pearls to fill in the open space. So there you have it for the very last clip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We now have some very cute clips, inexpensive. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.